It is 9:15 in the morning and I am hanging out in my car camper with Harvey. There he is. In this video, I'm going to be doing some cleaning and decorating of my car camper. As you can see, it's a pretty rainy day, so it's pretty relaxing and chill in here, and you know, the rain is cleaning the outside of my car, so I might as well clean the inside. Let's get to it. What do we got there? I gotta put that in the trunk and the other thing in my house. I gotta put that in the trunk. We've got some trash. I need a lint roller. I mean, look at how hairy this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We've got dust. Icky. And a lot of trash there, so I'm gonna put this in the recycling bin. The only problem is I'm gonna have to make some trips in and out of the house, which means I'm gonna get all wet from the rain. No! Oh, we need this trash bag. Are you gonna help me clean, Harvey? Multi-tool. I didn't realize that was there. Alright, the trash has been thrown out. I'm gonna look for my lint roller because I want to get some of the dog and cat hair off of my seats. I found this flower while I was looking for the lint roller, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it right in here. There we go. Beautiful. Because that was the only corner of my car that didn't have the flowers. See? Look. We got them there. And we got them there. And we got them there. Some there. Dang it. Glasses. I just gotta pop it back in there. I really need to get new glasses. These ones are all scratched and I can barely see things. Okay. Gonna straighten up the back. Ooh, turn the lights on. Lights. Stay. Coat. Always gotta have another jacket. Never know when you're gonna get cold. Gotta take those to the recycling bin. Trash. Out. This was from my fall car camper decoration video. Check that one out. I recently did my spring flowers and oops. And birds. I'm gonna throw that out. These are my window covers. I made like a little ship porthole. If you haven't seen it yet, because I like blue, I'm gonna. Oh no, these are like curtains that covered this window. Uh-oh, strings. I'm just gonna lay it flat so the area looks clean. This is my horse Lightning from when I was very, very young. I've also got this nautical fish net, but it doesn't stay nicely. That looks way better. That looks much better. Woo! Love it. This can be my tripod spot. Then tuck that away. I could make this bed a little bit, that would be great. In case you didn't know, it's pretty difficult to make a bed while in the bed. But I don't want to get out of my car and get all wet. We bought some odd boogies, Harvey. It's also hard to make the bed when your dog's in the bed too. I'm just gonna tuck him in. Cozy. A cozy puppy. What the heck? My adapter thing is making some noises. So that's one thing I don't like about this. I don't know if all of them would do it, but it makes that loud noise when I use it sometimes. I bought this a couple years ago when I was converting a van. I miss the van. Found these little affirmation cards tucked away in a little spot, so I was like, you know what? Each card has a positive, inspiring message to start your day, so let's give it a try. Plus, I love shuffling cards. Ooh. Today I am free of drama. Today I will let go of the people that do not support me and only surround myself with positive people. I love that. That was nice. Maybe I'll use these cards to decorate my car. That's the perfect spot. I love it. And the colors, beautiful. Okay, I need another one. Woo! Bunch fell out. Oh, I like this one. It says, today I am powerful. Today I know that I have the power and wisdom to accomplish everything I choose to do. And it's blue. So excited. Uh-oh. Oh, lovely. I like this one. It speaks to me. Oh, look at the cute panda. Positivity panda. Right with the birds. I love it. I love it. Another one. Hey. Harvey just looks so cozy. I wish I were Harvey. Just a cozy dog with lots of eye boogers. And one more. Loving all the pink in this corner. Really nice. I was gonna just redo these, but I'm kind of feeling lazy. I don't have my colored pencils in here. So I'm just gonna tape them better. Yeah. Stay positive. Life is good. Okay, well this sparks joy. The lights, the happy little signs. And I definitely want to do some more cleaning. But I don't feel like doing it at the moment. I'm gonna finish this video later. Okay, it is later and I got the vacuum. But before I vacuum, I wanted to add some money to my little money stash. Always keep this in the car. Got $18. Change. It's good to have cash and stuff in your car. Comes in handy. At least it could save your butt at one point. Maybe I'll just put money in here every once in a while and forget about it, and then one day I'll be like, oh, look at all the money I saved. Look what I did. Instead of putting that in the trunk, I just put it on the floor and it makes my car look extra cute. Alright, it's vacuum time. This is hard. I feel like it's not working good. I didn't find the lint roller, so we're doing the tape method. It gets the job done. This is hard. My arm hurts. Okay, so this tape works good for like cleaning the whole car basically. It's actually might be a new life hack. Clean your car with duct tape. This is seriously working. Oh my god. It's still so bad. I feel like I need a special tool. Wait a second. Heck yeah. Ugh, it's so icky in there. Much cleaner. Had trouble getting in there and in here, but also it's really hard to get all the hair off. Side note, I found this thing. I don't really know what it's from, but I realized it works as an arm cushion. Nice. Well, I'm satisfied with the cleanliness of my car. It feels a lot better. The vibes are better. I love the decorations I did. It's just great. I love my little car camper Ozzy. We're going off the rail on a crazy train together, and I'm expecting some exciting adventures. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to keep up with all my crazy adventures. I like to make videos for people who maybe aren't able to get out and do things, maybe because of their health, or maybe they don't have a car, but you know, I like to bring you guys along for the ride. I like to encourage people to get out in nature and to appreciate things. So yeah, that'll be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a magical day. Bye bye.